This is an augmented reality sandbox, and what this does is it takes the place of a stagnant contour map. This is a contour map that students can actually move and manipulate, and it will show the contour lines that a regular contour map does, except it shows it in real time. It can show the elevations of the land. It can show different landforms. So as you see here, we have moved the sand, and you can see we are all the way down at sea level. All these contour lines are showing you elevations all the way up to the snow-capped mountains. This box is a joint effort from many people within the Norfolk Collegiate community. We got a team together. Ron Chupik here at the lower school built this frame and all the hardware that's holding everything together. We used an Xbox 360 from a student here at Norfolk Collegiate. We have an old projector that we had, and we've repurposed it here. We have a computer that was built by a former senior, Alex Stubbs-Yates, and it's powerful enough to run all the components that are working here. And because of the generous donations of Sheriff Joe Barron of Norfolk, we were able to complete this project and have it come to fruition. Some of the other things that this can do for us, we can use the computer to project on any map that we want onto this surface. And then students can then manipulate the sand to match that map. For instance, students can learn about the landforms in the state of Virginia. Fourth grade studies the map of Virginia, and they can create the mountains, they can create the coastal plains, along with the ocean, the hills and valleys, the plateaus. So the sandbox uses regular white play sand. This is reflective, it has reflective properties, so it's actually reflecting the images that it's seeing. And students, this allows them to have a very kinesthetic learning opportunity to be able to actually touch the things that they're learning. So they can touch the landforms that they've made.
When I think of it, it's really cool. Like, you can like make it rain if you do this over like the water you can make like water and mountains. It's really cool. I just love it.